Crime Stories with Nancy Grace. Now just released, the frantic phone call made between cult mom Lori Vallow and her brand new fourth or fifth husband, doomsday cult leader Chad Daybell. This as the feds and local authorities were approaching his farm to start digging. High-profile defense attorney out of Philadelphia, Joseph Marrone, MarroneLaw.com. Joseph, I don't know if you've ever dealt with fiber evidence, but I was really blessed to have worked at a high-volume crime jurisdiction, inner city Atlanta, and I know you remember the Atlanta murders of young men and young boys by Wayne Williams. P.S. I think that a lot of those victims were lumped into Wayne Williams. I think he killed plenty of them, but at a certain point, they were just lumping in every black male that was found in the water with Wayne Williams. He may have done them all, but I'm not totally sure about that. I know he did several, but you know what they did for the first time in the country? They used fiber evidence. In other words, based on what Jennifer Shin just told us, you preserve the evidence on the body and they could find fibers. So like, whoa, where'd these come from? The back of Wayne Williams' car and his trunk and his apartment, his home, had a unique shag carpet. And it was traced back to the home and the car. So here, even though Alex Cox was living, I think, in the same apartment complex as Lori Vallow, I wonder if they could get fiber evidence off the bodies. They had to be killed somewhere. What about it, Joseph Marrone?
What about it is they haven't been charged with murder, and they've been kind of examining this case for quite some time.
Oh, please stop it.
Well, but listen, they haven't brought the charges. You know the state that they want these people bad. They would have brought these murder charges already, but they don't have the evidence, the forensics evidence to connect either Lori or Chad to the case. It probably has.
Can I get you out of the weeds and back in the middle of the road? Fiber evidence. Fiber evidence.
But you can rest assured that Alex's DNA is all over those bodies. They even have digital forensics evidence of Alex being at the property the day those kids went missing. It's all over Alex.
Really?
They haven't produced one piece of evidence
Joseph
that they murdered these people, and that's going to be
whose
the problem.
property? Alex Cox was at whose property?
It was Chad's property.
Oh, Chad Daybell's property.
Chad knew about it. The closest thing they got to Chad knowing about it is the phone call that he had with his girlfriend that day, where he didn't show the
BS. I don't know if you got that technical legal term up in Philly, but I know it very well when I smell it, because Chad Daybell was stirring a fire in the valley.
Chad and Lori are horrible people. This
killers.
State wants to charge them with murder yesterday, and they haven't been able to do it yet. That's a problem.
That is a problem. Okay, you got me over the barrel this time, but not for long.
Hey.
We wait as justice unfolds. And I pray to God that Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow keep canoodling over the phone so I and a jury can hear it. Goodbye, friend.